Alright, this is going to feed our baby lovebird. You get a little syringe and you gently open his mouth. Okay? Go ahead and suck some of this up. There we go. See? Fill it up. And then you open his little mouth and you squirt it in. And he'll just eat it right up. There you go, baby. There you go. Just like a little baby, he spits up everywhere. And you just wipe off his little beak. He's very calm. When you hand feed him, they're way more affectionate towards humans. Okay? Let's give him just a tad more. Usually he'll tell you when he's done. I hope you can see this. Oh, it's okay, Wiggles. That's his name. You all done? You're squirting around like you are. There you go. Go ahead. All done, clean you off so you don't get crusties. See, he doesn't wiggle or complain or nothing. He just loves it. There's Mr. Wiggles. Yep. That's my little baby lovebird. Mwah.